Hello viewers, in this video we will learn that how we can edit our presentation, like change the size of the letters, change the font of the letters, change the color of background and many more. First of all, we have to select the text which you want to change. For that, we have to move the mouse on that and select the text with the help of mouse. But if we want to do these changes with the help of keyboard, then there is a shortcut. Press the F6 key 3 times, then these options will appear, like 1 for the save, 2 for the undo, 3 for redo, 4 for the slide press. Suppose I will click on the 4 number on the keyboard, then slideshow will automatically start. I have to press again F6 key. There is H for the home option, N for insert, G for design. If I will click for the H, then it is for the represent the home option, and various other option will appear again. If I will click on the L, we can do this without the help of mouse. If I will click L letter on the keyboard, then it will represent the layout. By left, right and up and down arrow, we can select any layout for this presentation. Like I select this content with caption, then click enter. Your presentation will here with the change of the layout. We can undo this by simple shortcut key Ctrl+Z. Now we can change the text by selecting with the help of mouse. How we can change the text color, text size and all that. If we want to increase or decrease the size of the text, then there is a shortcut key for that. That is Ctrl+Shift+ left arrow, left angle, sorry. With the help of this, we can increase the size of our text, and with the help of right angle, we can decrease the size of our text. Likewise this. These are the shortcut: Ctrl+Shift+ left angle to increase the size, Ctrl+Shift+ right angle to decrease the size of the text. If you want to increase the size of text, we can also increase the size of text here, capital A with the upper arrow. By clicking on this, we can increase the size of selected text, and by clicking on this A with down arrow, we can decrease the size of our selected text. We also can change the size of text from here. When we click on this, there are numbers of various, we can choose any number that we want to our text. Click on that number, then we can change the size of our text from these options. We can also change the font of our text, the type of our text we written. From here, font option, a dialog box will appear, and we can choose any design we want to, any font we want to insert in our text here. Suppose I choose this Algerian, click on this, then this will the design of your font. If I want to change other, then click on, if you want, you have known the name of the text, then type here. Suppose I want to Times New Roman, then click on this Times New Roman. The font of my text is changed. Next is how we can bold or italics or underline our text. There are short command for this. First, you have to select the text, and then you can bold your text by this B button, italic your text by this I, and underline your text by this underline button. Or there are also short keys for this. Short key for the bold is Ctrl+B for bold the text. If you want to remove this bold, then again Ctrl+B. If you want italics your text, then Ctrl+I. And if you want to remove, again Ctrl+I. If you want to underline your text, then Ctrl+U. And if you want to remove underline, then again Ctrl+U. Next is shadow option. If I want to insert shadow in my font, then click this shadow. Then a shadow will appear in my text here. Look like this. If I want to remove this shadow, then again select the text and click on the shadow button. The shadow will remove. Next is strike through. Suppose I want to strike through or cut a word, then I will select that word and click on this strike through button. Then that text will appear this strike through in between. If I want to remove, then again select the word and click on the strike through option. I also can change the space between the letters or space between the words. By this option, change the space or character spacing. If I want to change, by default the spacing is normal. If I click on the tight, then it will appears like this. Very tight, there is no spacing, and loose look like this, and if very loose, it look like this. So by selecting the text and click on these options, we can change the character spacing of the our character spacing of our text. By default it is normal. Next, if I want to change the style, that is sentence type or uppercase type, lowercase, so then I will do this. Select the text first, then click on this. You can change sentence case. In that, first letter is capital or other letter are small. Lowercase, all the letter will in lowercase. Uppercase, all the letter of the selected text will be in uppercase. Capitalize each word means each letter of the word, first letter of each word is capitalized. Toggle case, first letter is capital, first letter of the sentence is small, and other letters are the capital. So anyone want you change, suppose I want to change the uppercase, so click on this uppercase. I want to change sentence case, click on this sentence case. If I want to change the color of my text, then first select the text and click on this font color option. If I will click on this drop down button, there are various color option appears here, and I will click on one of them. Suppose I will click on this option, then the color of the font will changed. Next to the font group, there is paragraph group. There are various options for the paragraph, like alignment first. This is left alignment. If we click on the left, by default there is left alignment. I will click on this middle alignment, then I will click on this, the text will align middle in the slide, and I will click on this right alignment, then right alignment. There are shortcut keys for all these. For the left alignment, Control plus L. For the middle alignment, Control plus E, and for the right alignment, Control plus R. And this is for justification of the text. There are also other options. If I will click on this option, there are bullet appears in this text. Like in the next slide, if there are no bullets in the slide and I want to insert number or bullets in the slide, then select the text and then click on this insert bullet button. If I insert on the bullets, by default these round bullets will appear here. If I want to change the design of the bullets, then I will choose any of the design from here and click on this option. I can also change the color of the bullets by clicking on bullets and numbering. Select any bullets and change color from here. You can change the color of any bullets. If you want to insert number instead of bullets, then you can also insert the numbers like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, or any number you want, any format according to your requirement you can insert here. Suppose next, if you want to insert or you want to sub align, कि जो आपके सब टॉपिक्स बनाना चाहते हो आप, like if you want to sub align this MS Word under the MS PowerPoint, then click on this MS Word, MS Excel, select this MS Word and MS Excel and click on this increase list level. If we click on this, then a next list will increased. Next list will formed under this MS PowerPoint list. If we decrease the list, then click on again on this. Next, if we want increase the spacing between the lines, there is also another option, insert spacing. If we want to increase more space in the line, there is 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So you can insert the space according to your requirement in the slide. Suppose I will click on, if I click on the 2.5, then this type of more space is present, inserted in the text. By default is 1, and we can also insert 1.5. This you can set. By this way you can edit your presentation according to your requirement. Thanks.